up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with
Elijah.
Yeah, this is my sister, and today is this, and we doing vlogmas. So yeah, y'all better stay tuned because it's my first time doing vlogmas, so you know I'm excited. But today all we're gonna do is just go look for matching pajamas, and then we're gonna get some cookies to bake. So yeah, just stay tuned for the upcoming content. Alright y'all, so right now we on the way to the store or whatever. So we just we gotta get a couple stuff, and yeah, y'all gonna see us when we get there. We was gonna go to Target, but Target is further, so we're gonna go to Walmart first, and then if they don't have nothing, then we're gonna go to Target. So yeah.
Owner seems to free her mind at night. She's all alone throughout the day.
Oh wait. Okay, so what's up y'all? We just got here, okay? So now it's time to go in and see what they got for us, because yeah, we want to be looking cute on the 25th, you feel me? Like, yes, we're gonna be them girls in our little pajamas. Alright y'all, so right now we trying to find this section that they in. I don't even see this.
It look like they don't got pajamas.
We might have to go to Target, y'all, because I don't see the pajamas. Oh wait, anyway. But these ones are I don't think they have, excuse me, but it's like these ones, but these look like the plus size. Oh wait, no, they have small, but I want some cute ones though. So y'all, let me stop. Right now y'all, we is being indecisive because it's like we don't know which ones we want. Like, I don't know, because this one giving Christmas, like this one is definitely giving Christmas, but Target might have some real cute ones. So if not, if I find some different ones, okay, so y'all, so we just got some cookies or whatever. We just got some, oh shit, I didn't even notice my thing was playing. So yeah, we just got some cookies or not, but we didn't really, we got some pajamas, but I don't know if I really like Those ones, like. All right, y'all, so we got our pajamas. So now we just finna go to Sonic real quick because we want some Sonic. And hopefully they don't be taking 10,000 years. So yeah, that's what we're finna hit.
All right, bye.
Y'all, so we literally almost got an accident. It's not focusing right now, but that's okay. But that's besides the point, y'all. First of all, these people literally, they don't have their blinkers on. It's going slow. So it's like, you know where the houses is. It's like a one-way street basically. Well, not one-way street, but it's people coming this way and then people coming the other way. So they is in front of me going slow. So then they start pulling to the side and going like 10 miles per hour. So I'm decided I'm gonna go around them because they literally are going slow. So I'm thinking they finna stop because they literally went to the side and started going 10 miles per hour. So as I'm going around them, they don't have their blinkers on or none of that. So I'm not knowing that they finna turn or anything. They literally, I'm going around them and they literally is turning like about to run into us, like literally full on speed. And that's why I'm like, dang, because I literally swerved the car so fast, y'all. Like I literally almost died. Like we literally almost died and got an accident.
That's crazy.
That's to say, these people, I'm telling y'all, people do not know how to drive. Like, come on now, y'all don't even need to have y'all license. If y'all don't know how to drive, stay off the road, because y'all messing with the people that know how to drive. That's all I got to say. Goodbye. All right, y'all, so we currently made it back, so now we're just about to put the cookies in the oven, and then yeah, y'all want to see how they come out.
Get it from my father. Sex in the city, girls, nails done, lemon braid, that's a pretty girl. She don't be in any world, wrong shoe, wrong fit, I'm Cinderella girl, call basic. Bro, big mouth, it's not him, not she chasing. 2 weeks, he couldn't find a replacement, he done lost a good bitch, downgraded to a basic lane switch. Bitches love to call it sourpuss cause she ain't, cause she don't care. So the nigga on offered up, nosed up, turned off her, get her from her father. Sex in the city, girls, nails done, lemon braid, that's a pretty girl. She don't be in any world, wrong shoe, wrong fit, I'm Cinderella girl, call basic. Bro, big mouth, it's not him, not she chasing. 2 weeks, he couldn't find a replacement, he done lost a good bitch, downgraded to a basic lane switch. Bitches love to call it sourpuss cause she ain't, cause she don't care. So the nigga on offered up, nosed up, turned off her.
You're gonna cook it for about 10 minutes, and then once it's done,
then we can cook it.
So yeah, and then we're gonna be done. So yeah.
When it comes to my bitch, I'm straight.
Hi guys, so me and my sister are on the way to the movies. We are on the way to the movies. So yeah, we decided to finally go see the Wakanda movie that everybody been talking about. We're gonna see if it's really good. But I love the first Wakanda, so I think it's gonna be a 10 out of 10. What you think, Nigel?
I think it's gonna be sad because everybody said it's gonna be sad. So yeah.
Yeah, so we finna see. But first we finna stop and get us some food before we head there, because they food in the movies, they've probably been there for years, that they never change out. So yeah, we're gonna catch y'all when we get there.
Bitch, sit on my face, I eject that. Choose up, little.
So y'all, we just got out of the movie and it was a 10 out of 10. It was more than 10 out of 10. That movie was emotional, but it was good emotional. It was real good. So I recommend that y'all go see that movie. If y'all haven't already seen it, y'all need to go see it, because that movie was worth it. Okay, I'll pay thousands of dollars for that movie again. So yeah, y'all need to go see it. It's real good. So if y'all thinking about seeing it, go see it. It's real good. So yeah, but yeah, that movie was super good, y'all. So, and I was eating my food real good, and they made us throw away our drinks when we got here, which I already knew that, but I forgot. So. Okay. Exactly, when I was eating my food, y'all, I was so thirsty, like real thirsty, like. But yeah, like I said, y'all need to go see that movie if y'all haven't already. I know it's so late seeing that movie, but I like to go when it ain't a lot of people, because when stuff first come out, people act like they ain't never seen it, ain't never been over there. But I'm gonna catch y'all next time.
Active, dirt ball in the coupe, smoking cat piss. Little bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend, shut the fuck up. Hey, little bitch, shut the fuck up. Tell your best friend, shut the fuck up. Hey, you know I love it when you talk dirty. Messy, you my orange soda shorty. You act like a little me, I wanna fuck you. You the type to kill me, I won't touch you. You want me drop a band on some cute shoes. You want me be the man you can vent to. You let me beat it up, you let me practice. Now I'm finna lay you on the.
Alright, so what's up guys? I got the hiccups, but I just left from working out. It was a good workout session. So now I'm just finna get me some Chipotle, and then I'm finna go to Clean Juice. But I think I'm gonna get me some Chipotle later, because it's literally, y'all part so crooked. Hold on, these people are trying to get in, because I literally part so crooked because alright, so yeah, I think I'm gonna get some Chipotle later. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get some Chipotle later, not right now, because I'm not hungry. So I'm just gonna go to, I'm gonna get me some Chipotle today, but not right now, because yeah, that was definitely needed. I feel like I always do that, y'all. I really don't know why right now I'm struggling with consistency, but I swear once I got that unlocked, y'all ain't gonna tell me
Mattress, bitch, sit on my face, I attack that. Choose up, little John, I'm finna.
Y'all, I'm finna go. My order is not ready until like 10 more minutes, so I have to wait. So I'll catch you guys when I'm heading inside.
Pack him. When it comes to my bitch, I'm straight active. Dirt ball in the coupe, smoking cat piss. Love bitch.
Y'all, one thing I hate is that when you is a black person and you go into a store where it's predominantly white people, they stare at you. Like, it's so aggravating. But y'all, I got the peanut butter with chia seeds, banana, almond milk, and I think that's it. And it really tastes good. I thought it was gonna taste different, but it's good. I give it a good 9 out of 10, because instead of peanut butter, I should have did almond butter. So now I'm finna go to Chipotle.
Shut the fuck up, tell your best friend, shut the fuck up, hey, no bitch, shut the fuck up, tell your.
So y'all, I got my Chipotle. Now ordered a side of queso and a burrito on the side. I don't know why, but like that's literally my go-to. I always get like a burrito, something on the side. I was supposed to do Vlogmas, like it's a struggle editing, posting every single day. Like editing for me takes at least a day, at least a day. But I'm finna head home. Today was a good day. I'm probably gonna put this video up because this video is supposed to be up, but I just needed, I felt like it needed more content. So y'all be surprised how long I'll be recording these videos. Y'all probably like, what? But yes, so now I'm finna go home.
Best friend, hey, shut the fuck up, hey.
So hey guys, I'm just on the way to get drinks now, and I'll see you guys when I get there because my battery is running low. So I'll see you guys when I get there.
She got a little concrete walk, but she's like sitting on the other side on like the couch.
Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on nuts. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jacking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. Tell me what is her name? Ooh, she made us drinks to drink.
Hold on. Hey, I didn't pay. I got a whole screenshot, and I could take them to court, and I could sue them for defamation of character. First of all, because why y'all lying on me? And I got the screenshot to prove that y'all lying on me. Like, what's really going on? Like, y'all really that delusional that y'all want to lie on me? Like, you're really that sick in the head that you want to lie on me? Like, but y'all, I'm not get there because, well, no, I can actually talk to y'all. But like, y'all, I just don't want to but yeah, that really just blew me. And tell me why.